Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable voice chat after verification are done. So you just need to go to guys first of you just need to click on this three dot over here and just go to settings, go to in privacy, and in privacy this you just need to enable voice chat over here. From here just click on this toggle button next to microphone, and once you enable it you just need to, if you want to use this voice chat, you just need to open any game and just enable the voice chat in the game itself as well. Now once you're in the game guys, if you want to enable voice chat, you can see over the you can see the mic over the avatar's head. So you just need to click on this mic over avatar's head, just click on it, and you can see there is a variation over avatars in the mic. So if you talk, you can see the sync in the animation as well. So that's how you can enable voice chat on Roblox after the verification. So if you verified your age already, so yeah, that's it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.